Hi, so I've not posted in ages now. There's a few reasons behind that. Obviously, Christmas run up. We've been really busy at Christmas, a little bit too busy to film. And the last video I did, an absolute nightmare with it. I'll tell you about that in a minute. But so what I'd like to say is, I hope you've all had a fantastic Christmas. I hope next year's a little bit better than this one. I mean, it can't be worse, can it? Really, surely. So what happened? A lot of you wanted bifold door windows. Bifold door windows. So what happened, a lot of you wanted a tutorial on how to fit bifold doors and fit windows. What I normally use is a guy to come and fit ours, and he's a really great guy. He always turns up, does a fantastic job and clears off, but never been able to video it and watch him do it. So what I did then, I decided to fit them myself, which I did a real long, detailed, super detailed video for you. It was an hour and a half long after I'd edited it, and it took me an hour to edit. So that was minimum of 2.5 hours camera work gone into that. And then I managed to delete it off the face of the earth, and it's disappeared off every single media and every single device that I possibly own. So learned a valuable lesson there. Upgraded. I know a lot of you technically minded will be happy about this as well. We've got a Canon, it's a Canon M50. It's particularly just for vlogging really, so hopefully image stabilization will be a lot better for you guys that say that you feel a bit sick sometimes when it's bouncing around. The sound quality will be a lot better, the picture will be a lot better, and hopefully it will give you some more detailed and more accurate videos. So with that aside, there's a couple of things I want to talk to you about as well. I've got a Facebook group which I started I think maybe 2.5-3 months ago, something like that. It's now got 7, I'm looking over there because I've got like a list of stuff that I want to tell you about because I'll only just forget it. It's got 7,400 members. It's called Self-Build Garden Rooms, Offices and Home Bars. It's a bit long-winded, but might possibly change the name to something shorter, but I was just trying to get everything in it. That's sort of what the group was about. It's turned out to be an absolutely amazing group. I know a lot of you will be already on it. There's no bullying, there's no selling, there's no, I mean, definitely no selling. I won't have any selling on it. So if you're going to go on there to sell, forget about it because you'll get blocked. It's literally just for advice and people helping each other out with their builds and their journeys, advice and moral support really. And you'll learn stuff off it. I've learned some stuff off it as well. The way we build isn't for everybody's cup of tea. I know a lot of you like gripe about me on YouTube, but I mean, that's fine. If you don't like it, jog on. And if you do like it, then that's fine as well. Comments, good or bad, either way, they're fine. So if you want to jump over to Facebook and join that group, that'd be fantastic. Make sure you answer the question at the beginning, because if you don't, you won't get accepted. It's just to stop people coming in selling stuff and stuff like that. We've gave away a Paz load. We gave away that on Instagram. We've had 2 raffles now. We've raised over £5,800 for Candlelighters. It fights cancer in children, which is a great charity. So what I'm going to do next year now, I'm going to try and put, as the year progresses, try and put a bigger and better prize together, and try and raise a lot more money next year for definitely a worthwhile cause. What else I want to talk about? YouTube. You guys have been absolutely amazing. I started this at the beginning of last year or thereabouts. Did a few videos before that, never really bothered with it at all. Then COVID came, and I guess a lot of you were at home watching YouTube and deciding that you need to work from home and you want to build your own garden room or garden office. And then numbers just started to go from there. I'm currently on 26,767, and when I get to 50,000 I will give away a free rod set like I promised. Build packs are still for sale. A lot of people who message me asking me, are they for sale? They are for sale. They're at my website. It's Oakwood Garden Rooms. There's a drop down on the self-build option. On there you can purchase, I think there's 13 different sizes. Full instructions, there's over 40 pages in each pack. You'll get full detailed instructions from start to finish, how we build them, the way we build them. There's a lot of technical drawings in there as well, and there's a full materials list as well, so everything you need for the build will be included in there. I can't give you a price on it because if I give you a price today, it won't be relevant next week. As you know, some of you will know already that PIR installation is starting to go up and up and up and up. So price is relevant now, won't be relevant next year. And if you're watching this in 2 years' time and I give you a price on it, then it's not relevant and you think, well, the build pack's a load of crap. Well, no, because that's not the price I gave you, so I'm not going to give you prices. Also, prices vary from different places around the country. So with all that in mind, Build Pack, Facebook, YouTube and charity raffles. It's been fantastic. It's been a really good year as far as social media is concerned, and with that in mind we're going to push forward really hard with social media next year. We're going to do more videos. They're going to be more detailed. We're going to talk about the materials we use. We're going to talk about the why and the ifs and the whats. We're also going to talk about the tools we use as well. And if you're doing a self-build, if you haven't got like a laser for leveling, and we're going to show you another option of leveling with just a spirit level, which give you exactly the same results. It's just a little bit slower. If you haven't got a nail gun, then you want to use an impact driver instead. We'll show you that. We'll show you some safety tips, because I know a lot of you complain about our health and safety, which we are going to, we'll showcase it next year. So we'll show you exactly what needs to be worn and where and why throughout the builds. Okay, so next year we've got a build starting. We're going to back work tomorrow actually, which is the 29th. It's on an old garage base, so that might interest some of you. I can't remember now, but I think we're going to demolish the garage as well tomorrow. So I'll start videoing tomorrow. The weather's forecast to be crap, so we'll see how that goes. We've got a really busy start to the next year. I think we're fully booked up now till the end of March, something like that, so there's going to be loads of opportunities to video for you. And that's that. So once again, thanks for watching. Sorry I've not posted in a while, but it's been Christmas and we've been busy, and I've been trying to get everything tied up, and COVID's helped the situation as well. Next year will be a better year. There'll be loads more format and loads of stuff for you to watch. So thanks very much. If you'd like to like, subscribe and comment, that'd also be brilliant as well. And I will see you guys next year in high definition, more stability and better sound, we hope. Thank you.